Dipu Matipung Arboretum along Bang Paruhinira Pli Atharia Samia Pham Anundaram Borwa Anoe Laptop Keron Samilang so lem fen sikai si anam asang Radaphan Keron Langkajan along Aron Ripen Longli Kacerai Thap Paro Bangladeshi Ahem Katharli Kardom ada bertang pen liberta thanbang thare harmony ben non bertang don pen arjek tha Karbi Anglong district Khibangri mate administration pen Dipu mate pungalong therepo heniar ni Anundaram Barwa anong e karon amai padosi Bang Pharo hinira pli logetek athare samia phan akajoy pen laptop ron pon Chuning surhinila krenar cap anengkan Karbi Anglong pen cap asadlang along phan troxy kebra phosose alakha mate number kelong athare samia tum kadokave Bang Pharo hinira pli District Administration pen Dipu Matipung Arboretum and Crop Center along Therepo Hiniarni Anundaram Barwa Anong e Keron Amai Padosi Logathek Atharia Sami Arideng Laptop Pajirpong Additional Deputy Commissioner Jesunawa Chepahim Pipen Kepado Nong Ekeron Amai along Karbi Anglong Tenamas Council CM Tuliram Longhang Chetong Dun Alang li Bangthok Atharia Sami Arideng Laptop Pajirsi Nong Ekeron Angkung Pangcheng Akeme hampang pakilar ji pulte lokacharli thek paminangji lokacharli ajak kongpen hampang longri longpat paklarum lasi lokacharli bor inangji hongnangji puta nong ekeron alam jilalong CM ronghang ningje PWD EM Horensing pe lapen tok lama sai kam penan asai phuatum nong ekeron amailong chitongdun kachini je phan chethan name bijoy temuk lapen long biram sinaratum Chuning kep asalang along phan troxy kebra dogbor trognar kebra ke thom chepalong si Karbi Anglong angbong phan ke ongnai pusi amen chethang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council midu sai kam lapen keton kelang ingnam rai komatum chepeng si therepo heniar ni langkajan along aron ripen longle kacharai thap Bangladeshi ahemarit kepri katharlia sai paduda Karbi Anglong lapen hojai district ahoy langkajan lapen pranpri Ahawar along Therepo Hiniarni, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dihin Sai Kam Lapen, Keton Kelang Asai Kam, Ingnam Rai Komatum, Chepengsi, Hem Kipri Mate, Katharle Asai, Padudam. Langkajang along, Bangladesh Pen Kebang, Bangladeshi Atum, Longle Pelang Kacherai Alam, Akimi Kalilu. Hoja District Pen Karbi Anglong along le, Nankebat Lapen, Bangladeshi Atum, Pranpri Ahawar Lapen, Langkajan, Bithi Betha, Aron Re, along le Kacherai. Hem Gachikim, Kedo alam patinisi Katharle kepri amo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Saikiot pasupon Kelang tarlip ateng langkajan ahwar along Aron Repen Bangladeshi atum Hem humsuri sira hum pharot trogra troxy kep rahinia hem do puta Katharle eviction asai kejalin atum ningje
Kita follow sir tu, olniti. Sir, tangte la ili tum langkai jalong pilih eviction ke bang, komar hukum bel. Lake Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council order pesi. Ke claim mo sir, survey. Dealer atuk. Ha? Dealer atuk. Dealer atuk. Survey team of mane asap mane. Nang Rampri. Tangte itu area ki pare. Itu area to very Panpri. Rampri. Rampri sir thebe ronda. Itu amar Karbi Anglong under land hoy na hoy. Itu amar boundary mote amar hoy. Tehala so bojar tu Civil Bazar to italoke eito mane disputed area ase mane taketo moi to teneke order dia nai tar bhangi nangli teng bote halake chini ne Civil Bazar ke halake chini mane boundary fix felang hatake basi nitu bangke la arlo ansi ke claim ji pualam sidu la lamasi nore bangke pini bangke theklong lo komama hukum pentong la heri damarane nilita chini etalo no nangli apunalage survey kora nani je kiman ghor bhangibo aji এইটো এরিয়া পিনি কে প্ল্যানিং বাকে এনেকে টোটাল হাউস অফ কে 1016 দো সিটা লাসো পেন কোয়ান বাকে হেরি নাই পো বাকে আপর আলাম দকক মাটি দি লাসি গুটেই কে ক্লেম এজি পোলাসো বাকে আইএম পে লেগে বাকে এনেকে ফরেস্ট রুম সি বিসি চিনি জি নাংলি কে নিয়ে তেং বলতে 2 কিলোমিটার দুলাং নাংলি খরচা বমদিন পেন পতে নন সিভিল বাজার কে কিলোমিটার সিভিল বিপসিবা ফ্রিলং দেল মানে বাউন্ডারি পুরা ফিক্স ফেলা Laso alam si lake pulune straight line si doko kopor nili thangdan protect la bage
Samilang so lens pen affordable nutrition and nourishment assistant scheme pen thelepo hinier ni samilang so arada phan sekai si anamasang keron pangcheng pon posikat ni salang birta nang pale Samilang so lens pen affordable nutrition and nourishment assistant scheme thelepo hinier ni pangcheng si rong arada phan sekai si anam asang keron pangcheng pon lens amai phu Sarsing tok BJP pu amai long EM Raju tiso VDC amai pu Khogen tiso BJP Samilang so block mondong amai pu Chandra Singh Inkipen Chenglok penan BJP Asongja tum chitong dun Samilang so hiti aphan Rong supi mate town Kapin Chong Samilang so along Kitir Tip Civil Sub Division Asa hen KBG aphan Karbenglo Autonomous Council pen Sai Kedeng bo Alam EM tiso pen Kachetong arada phan Than Pachini Non malam support bertamu don poneksina.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now, the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now, this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose. But in the polling station, this control unit is kept with the presiding officer. And these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment. So that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now, what happens is once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now, how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it, simultaneously, we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds. And simultaneously, there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice. Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap. Pipot lo nangina cusir ham tamle ini su. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo. Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati. Tangkalam lo ti oi cepaking cita. Madhari.
No alam tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho Ajam Tu, Tharmit Aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ong Dung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Long Pon Ingji.
Dinamo Vipotat Birtalong Wangtulo. Affordable nutrition and nourishment assistant pen. Kidugdet arada panongsi. Ilin sikaisi anamasang. There ponipai hiniarni. Hamren Wholesaler Cooperative Society pen ta. Hamren Fishery Training Hall along MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi pen. Ingpu pon tang lupusini litum card news perangkre. Hundor kro pen birta nang pale. Kangpu amailo aralo porpai krisi apor pen Hamren Wholesaler Cooperative Society pen. Maije pempu ponsi. MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi alizar po aman pen chitong dun. Mailong Alhiaman pen West Card Benglong Assistant Commissioner Pratha Johori, Hamlet Town Committee Chairman Peren Tiso, Assistant Director Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs pen Danglong, Ongdung Kethekedingatum Chetongdun. Mailong Amarsi MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi pen Jasi Pinana Tumafan, Kechengsi Ilin Sikai si Anam Asan Piponlo. Mailong Alang Lipen Kaninji Atenke There Achiklu, Pen Kadukawe Reason Card pen Sitame Ilin Sikai si pensi chonam longpu ladak delala tumpen sitame sikai si pen apat ke majok along ta endulong lepusi MLA Rongpi pen lamthe ke jai khut rarapan pachini Hamren Wholesaler Cooperative Society Amaipur Joysing Dipen Maipu alam the ke jai khut kaninji atenke majok delala tum sitame ilin sikai si pen athak endet pulote delal ke klembom alutame Kangthan Paduji Pusi Ningje Hala Pukhironi along Kedo Socheng Lems along BPL Atum Apanta Sang Elin along Sekaisi Anampen Ron Ponlo There Nipai Hiniarni Pen Kechengsi Arni Kopli MSC Constituency VDC Chairman Hon Singh Terang Lapen Lems Chairman Don Singh Dera Lapen Bangso along Kiruni Ahawar Arleng Kesa Bules Inghi Chetongdun Ada berita bang lepas kang ton ponigla domi thakme kurwang tu